This is the wall-mounted grow light for indoor plants, a convenient lighting solution designed to help support your indoor plants while saving valuable shelf and table space. It features a full-spectrum light that's suitable for a variety of indoor plants, including succulents, seedlings, and other small houseplants. The wall-mounted design makes it easy to position the light exactly where your plants need it. One feature I really like is the built-in timer. You can choose between 6, 12, or 16-hour lighting cycles, and the timer memory function automatically repeats your selected schedule each day, so you don't have to reset it. The grow light also offers 4 brightness levels, allowing you to adjust the light intensity based on your plants and growing environment. The adjustable beam angle makes it easy to direct the light where it's needed most for better coverage. Whether you're creating an indoor plant display, starting seedlings, or adding extra light to a growing space, this grow light is designed to be simple and convenient to use. If you're looking for a wall-mounted full-spectrum grow light with adjustable brightness, an automatic timer, and flexible light positioning,